But what if we don't have anything?
Wait.
Yeah, what if we have nothing to say?
Will you put it on the vodka? Zubrovka?
Zubrovka.
Zubrovka. Tu Zubrovka?
The thing is, I use my. Do we start now or no?
It's already on tape.
Okay. No.
A very nice apple juice from Poland, Zubrovka.
Anyway, thank you for coming. Why you look so serious? It's not a press conference. Alright.
Is he on tape too? Can you see it?
Yeah. Okay. So the topic of my final dissertation is about developing communication canon for our students. And the limit of my final dissertation is focused on the first year subjects. That's why I invited you all, only first year students, not second year, not third year, not even fourth year, to come for this focus group. Thank you for coming once again. So, this is an example. Wait, do you have a question about the topic? What is a canon?
What is a canon?
Yeah.
Yeah. So, what is a canon? This is an example of a canon. So actually, canon is a compilation of theories like this. Just one sec. So if you see there, something happened?
No, we're just discussing. Is the sound good?
I think so.
Yeah?
Because we're standing far away from
Yeah.
the camera.
Don't you want to check before?
Oh yeah, that's good.
Just like check. Or
Just in
like-
case.
It was very sad.
Say something.
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 Alright, where were we?
Showing out your experience.
Explaining about the topic actually.
Yeah, the topic.
Because I'm not
Yeah, what's
quite.
a canon?
Communication canon. Basically, okay, my program owner is John Robes. So what he wants to have in our program is to have like a compilation of theories from which students can refer to when they are doing their assignments or their projects, or just like a final report. So here is an example. This one is from University of Twente. As you can see, we have their theory. Yeah, the one is theory clusters. So you see like 9 different topics: interpersonal communication, organizational communication, mass media communication, and so on and so forth. And here we have different type of organization, like levels of theories. Here we have like courses and their theories. So this is based on the year: first year, second year, third year. So if we go to here, for example, then we have all this topic, relevant topics. And if we click, then we got all the information about the theories. So you don't have to go to Google or somewhere else. Just go to this website and you will find the information that you need. That's basically the idea. I have another example. This one is from Mike Underwood, if I'm mistaken, the name is. Yeah. This is basically in the A to Z index of subjects. So if you click here, you find accent, actuality, like all the communication related theories. If you click, then you'll find the information. Because this we see also, so you have this, so on and so forth. So that's basically the concept of my final dissertation. What I would like to know right now, what do you think of these websites?
Helpful.
Helpful in a way like,
In a way that you can find everything was connected with communication. And yeah, it's very easy. You don't have to Google each theory, for example. You just have the list of all theories in there. So
In the way that you have reliable
Sources?
sources of information
Mm-hmm.
available on site and easily reachable.
Yeah.
Saves a lot of time.
How did you do your research? Like from first period to third period?
I mean, mainly Google, and from Google, you start finding how credible the sources are, and that's how we actually do it. But you did
Later on, we
research.
What kind of
Library.
Yeah, I
Yeah.
also go to the library to search in catalogs,
Mm-hmm.
and yeah, then I just go through the book and see if I can find anything in there. But it
Scholar
starts yeah, with
Google.
Google.
Mainly Google then.
but Scholar Google,
Do you use Wikipedia as well?
Wikipedia.
Not really.
Not
Why?
really.
Because it's not a reliable source. People can just go there and change. I
Alright.
mean,
But sometimes I use Wikipedia for just, you know,
One or two times.
yeah,
Directions.
just for directions, exactly, because
And how about your project groups, your other group members? Do they use Wikipedia, Google, something else? Also Google, I believe.
Mostly Google.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Mostly. Should we have this one in our program? Would you use that?
yeah.
Yes.
Sure.
And what do you expect to be the content of the website?
Just like everything we cover in our lectures, so it could be like something that would fill in
Mm-hmm.
what the handouts that we normally get in class. Because normally the handouts are just like summaries,
Mm-hmm.
and then we can actually consult the website and say, hey, this is this.
So you want something in detail then?
Yeah.
yeah, or maybe you know, maybe just links,
Mm-hmm.
also useful links which you can.
All right.
Detail, something in detail is definitely good. Yes,
Mhm.
that's right. But what about all the books? All the books are there is plenty of detail in the books.
Mm-hmm.
As is the case with me sometimes,
Mm-hmm.
I don't read the book, although I know.
I have to tell this to your teacher.
I do.
Well, Mark will see this.
Sometimes I very much prefer to rely on
Google.
Google and handouts like
Mhm.
summaries instead of going through 100 of pages of detail.
Mm-hmm. All right. We see here some examples. Do you like the structure?
Not really.
Not
No.
really.
No,
Why? Tell me why. Wait, what's wrong with this structure?
seems messy to me.
Seems messy. Which part?
Like not intuitive
Not intuitive.
enough.
So
I don't know. The previous one I think was better.
this
Yeah,
one.
previous one looked better to me as well.
So this one then.
Yeah.
Mm.
What's the difference then?
So,
Just like, it seems really simple, but coloring
More-
for me.
More color?
layout matters a
Layout, yeah.
lot. Yes,
Yeah,
Sorry?
layout.
the layout.
The layout.
It's
It's
more
completely
clear because you
different.
have like
Yes.
each theory has a
Mhm.
name, so if you know what are you looking for, then it's easier. I think it's easier just
It's easy.
to find it. Yeah.
All right. What about this one? This is alphabetically sorted. Do you like this one?
Yeah, it's fine.
It's fine.
Yeah.
All right.
And the other one,
Mhm.
so there was
Let's do.
an area
Mhm.
of the web page with all the letters
Mhm.
that you can,
This one?
yeah. And that's also fine, but if you have all the topics listed in an alphabetical list,
Oh, all right. So something like, something
But
like
it's
this.
also in a
This one is in alphabetical list, but it's supposed to be better than.
yes, because what I do
Mm-hmm.
often is that I just get the find
Mm-hmm.
window, the
Mhm.
find function of the web browser.
Like
Just
this
type
one?
the, yes, exactly. Just
Mhm.
type the word that I'm looking for.
Mm-hmm.
So in this case, it would be nicer if the list, the alphabetic